To create categories in Quicken Simplify, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Transactions page. This is where you can view and manage all your financial transactions. The first step is to understand what categories are and how they work in Quicken Simplify. Categories are used to classify transactions into specific groups, such as housing, transportation, or entertainment. This helps you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. To create a new category, click on the Add Category button. This will open a window where you can enter the name of your category and choose a color to associate with it. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to understand, such as groceries or rent. Once you have created your category, you can start assigning transactions to it. To do this, click on the transaction you want to categorize and select the category from the drop-down menu. You can also use the auto-categorization feature, which allows Quicken Simplify to automatically assign a category to a transaction based on the payee or description. It is also important to note that Quicken Simplify allows you to create subcategories, which can help you further break down your spending into more specific groups. For example, you could create a subcategory for dining out under the main category of food. Best practices for creating categories in Quicken Simplify include keeping your categories simple and consistent, using descriptive names, and avoiding overly broad or narrow categories. It is also a good idea to review and update your categories regularly to ensure they are still relevant and accurate. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively create and use categories in Quicken Simplify to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. This will help you stay organized, track your spending, and make informed decisions about your money.